you a custom-made box on any kind of brands that she carries. She usually has it all. And just customize your box. Skincare, makeup, hair care, whatever you are looking for. Reach out to her on IG. I always have her in my description box, whether I'm doing a PR box or not. Just jump down there, grab her IG up, and it should be linked straight to where you just click it. And you click over there, hit her up, and let her know, hey, you know what, I'm a beauty squad member, and I saw Jessica's box, and I'm interested in one. Get more details through her. If you have questions, DM me. I don't mind asking anything that I might know. If I don't know it, I will send you her way. Do not be shy to contact her. She is amazing. Like, amazing. I love her. I've been with her for close to almost 2 years now, and it never disappoints ever. Even when I purchase boxes, like, they're amazing. You can go in and literally Google Busy Beauty and see all the amazing videos that other creators have made. People that don't have platforms get boxes from her constantly, and they love her and keep coming back. Like, I've never heard a negative thing about her because she is so professional and so amazing at what she does. Like, I don't know how she does it. Yes. Now, this is a Valentine's theme look, but I'm not finished. So make sure you follow me on IG to see the complete look of this. But I thought I would come on here with sort of something put together so you're not looking at my everyday, just woke up, mommy look. I try just to impress. Let's jump into this box. Y'all know how I roll. I already go in and kind of unpack everything because she does bubble wrap everything so amazingly. And we will be sitting here for a couple of hours just unboxing and bubbling everything because she literally puts bubble wrap on every single item that needs it. Plus then she goes in and tapes down items that needs to be taped, and I'll show you exactly what I mean by that in a second. But she sent me some BH Cosmetics airbrush set. This is a 7-piece Marlon. I'll put your name in a heartbeat. But this is what these look like. I love these cosmetic brushes. They are affordable and amazing. Those are some that I grab for every day, and I have for mine. This is also a Jackie Hill Cosmetic Voice Highlighter, and the shade Extra. Extra, extra. You know about it. I love Jackie Hill. This never disappoints. That's what it looks like inside there. I'm not gonna swatch nothing right now. I'll do a separate video of that. And I'm not really getting the boxes in and stuff, so I have plenty of time to go back in and swatch everything if that's what I would like. Now, this is what I talk about taping. Like, she takes that extra time and care to make sure everything is secure and it gets to you as intact as she possibly can. There have been accidents somewhere because, I mean, I don't know what some of these page servers do. They just like bounce around or play kickball with them. But as soon as they see fragile, it's like I be coming in with some dents and things. And I'm surprised that some of mine haven't came out as broken as they should. I've only received like 1 or 2 items throughout the whole time with her that's been broken. This is a leave-in conditioner. It nourishes and radiance and shines for your hair. I love this. I actually have one up there, so she sent it back up because I love this so much. And this doesn't look like a lot, but most of y'all that have seen it down, y'all know it's a lot of hair, so it takes a lot of time. This is a Moon Dust Urban Decay Glitter Body and Face Luminizer. Yeah, okay. So I should put that for like the spring, but it's super cute. Who doesn't like a little shimmer for your body? So I'm gonna put this in my open palette for later. I will use that glitter. Yeah, this is freaking adorable. Look at this. And just to take that extra initiative, like, come on. And everything's always brand new, intact. You never receive anything out of date. It's just, if my husband can work with her and build me a box without me ever knowing, you know she's a very easy person to work with. So just don't hesitate. If you are seeing this video, if this is your sign now, go ahead and try your Busy Beauty box. So this is what it looks like. I love some Pixie. I have a lot of Pixie though. I need to get some. I don't really care. Someone that would like Pixie back. That's why I don't have a lot of Pixie. This is a highlighter. Liquid to bake formula creates show-stopping pigment that melts into skin. This is in the shade Peppermint. I always confuse. I'm on my own for right now. I wanted to try it. Because I had the child palette, but I didn't have this one when I came out with the collection. So I said, guys, you gotta have it. And I have the collection. And I can get my child palette too. So this is the Matador press palette. Look at that green. That green was like the main reason I wanted it. It literally looks like a door. Whatever it's called. I'm excited to try that. My child palette. Yay! Oh my god. Look at these lighters. Like, mossed out all day long. Yay! The night before Christmas, I actually got this. I'm pretty sure that Jasmine will snag this one. She always tries to take any extras that I get. But look how gorgeous she is. I actually used mine once and I loved it. I love Nightmare Before Christmas. That is like the theme on my bed. The kind of things are all year round. But I don't have to sit here and impress nobody in my room but my husband. So we keep Jack and Sally on our bed all year. That cover set cost me enough to for anything all year. The Profusion, this Desert Sage 25 Shades palette. I don't have any Profusion palettes, so this is awesome. This will be the first time we actually tried Profusion eyeshadow. If I'm not mistaken, I want to say I tried a glow palette and didn't care for it. That's why I just never got interested in it. But I will definitely try that because all brands change, all brands progress. You know, they grow and they improve. You know that. Oh, this is a nice difference. She's tried this before, and this is for to cut your crease or to do this little thing right here without any effort of kind of drawing it out, and this way you actually get the precision down right, and it'll be even on both sides. It's a really cool concept. I have to do another video on this just to show you what I mean with it. Yay! I got a chocolate milk shimmer type cookie. Now I haven't heard too much good things about these, but I've heard they're literally what they're called, just a top coat. Just add that publicity. Like if you want to go in with a no makeup day, and just put this on a lid, this would be this right here would be perfect for something like that. Because it's not a dead boom in your face type situation. It's just a very subtle shimmer to go on the eye. Try to put some up as I go because I have no room. This is a Wiki Lux Meow Kitten palette. Ooh, that's cute. A Wiki Lux Petal Cleaner. This is a Cheeto Daily Facial Cleaner. Oh, that's pretty. It has like little rose petals in it. And it's like a gel. Gently liner, small out. Gently to moist hands. Apply damp face and neck. Petals dissolve on contact with water. Okay, so if you get petal in your hands, try it yourself. That's cool. Let me cool try it. She sent me a sample size of eyeliner, Lasso makeup setting spray, and face primer. This right here, this is something I'm gonna save because I want to do like the tiny makeup challenge later. I want to get everything that's like tiny. I got inspired by that tiny ass little palette and tiny ass little lip glosses, and I want to do something with that. This is a deep conditioner for your hair. It's like this little extra stuff that she packs in there that you don't know you need, but you need after you see it. This is what makes the box amazing. Because, okay, when you go in and you customize your own box, you tell her what you want. With your budget, keep it in mind. You know, y'all kind of play back and forth. What do you want in your box? How much are you willing to spend? Blah, blah, blah. 9 times out of 10, 9.9 times out of 10, you're going to get double your value of your money in your box. It just goes without saying. But she always wants to make sure you have exactly what you want. And then she always sticks in Oh, sorry, I dropped it. These little extras. And you don't know you need it until you see it. It's like, how'd you know? This is the Pure Canvas Primer Illuminating Allure Mercier. I don't have it. That's what it looks like. I'm not going to open this one because I'm not going to open right now. Put that in my draw bin. This is a lip gloss in strawberry. Ooh, she's pretty. Again, I have too many lip glosses open. I'm trying to go in and actually use up some product before I keep opening more product. And this is for something that y'all request as a review, or it's like something that's on the channel, what have you. But for the most part, I am trying to conserve my makeup. I gotta be smart, you know, because I don't want to be a makeup hoarder. I want to be a makeup lover. This one is called Peach Popsicle. Yummy, yummy. Oh, my tummy. I'm going to hide this one. Then I get that. What brushes? How'd you know? My addiction is precious. This is Blend and Stand 4-piece brush set. This is a Profusion brush set. You get 3 with a little standing case, which is cool. Okay, wait, look at that. Put some of my brushes in there. I need more room for my brushes. I need to go through and reorganize some of my brushes. Because honestly, I reuse the same ones over and over, and I forget that I have some, and I kind of go in and rotate them just so I don't overuse anything. The brushes last for years on the stick out. This is a set. This is a coconut lime shaving prep sugar scrub, and then a coconut lime post shaving smooth and mist. Yes, this is the pictures I'm talking about. Like you never know you need. Just saying. Okay, this is the one she told me to be careful with. So this is a palette. I'll open in a second. Let me get this big box out of the way. We'll just take everything else out because I really don't want to mess up nothing else. I've got some more cotton mask, which I hate which one. I do that. I put stuff aside to try, and I forget where to put it because I have my area, and I kind of forget about it. Alright, so this is it. I'm actually going to get one of these. Jazzy! But here's the cotton mask. Because I got one already, so I have two, and I'll give her one to try out. We have a Wet n Wild multi-stick, which I really like these because you can use this as an eyeliner, as an eye color, as an eye topper, what have you. It works in so many ways. Panda. Oh my god, I'm gonna like sing that song every time I see this, but this is a brightening eye base. So, brightens the eye area while nourishing with reboot extracts. Cover an eye, the dark circles appear, pat gently, turns on. Yes, eyes need it all. It's like the best care of them, so it's starting to show. This is a Glam Glow Super Mattifying Clarified Primer. This is my backup primer because she knows I love this mess. I love it. The freaking first one I got BoxyCharm as an add-on, and I've used it up. Like I'm on my second one, and third one now. But I really do like it, especially whenever I'm having one of those really bad days, and I just want to cover my whole thing up. This works miracles. Like it smooths out everything. It's just because of that beautiful canvas. And yeah, you need this in your life. If you have textured skin like I do, maybe some lip butter. Because it will help. This is NARS Blush Orgasm. The infamous blush that everybody knows about. Gorgeous. I have a very little one like this. So this will go in my giveaway. If not in my overdrive. I like it, but I don't grab it a lot. And I'd rather share it with somebody else if it can be. This is the Spider Marker Face Stamp that came into our ColourPop collection from Hocus Pocus back in Halloween. Very cute stuff. I don't want to open it. I don't want to try it out. This is a Mighty London stamp liner in ultra black when wings made easy. But I've got one contraption like this, and I do like it. I have to say, like, I do like it. I'm going to stamp it, but it's actually got plastic on this person, which is good. So, you know, it's not open, it hasn't been open, it's not going to dry out. I love it when brands do this, like, extra. There's, like, certain things like this that has a time limit quicker than most. I like it, because, you know, like, it hasn't been sitting on the shelf trying out. The cat might open it or something. This will be a must try soon. There's my other ones. I want to compare brands. I want to see, does it really matter what brand? This is the Child palette with that Methane palette. I know y'all have probably seen this one. I'm going to open it up anyways just to show you, just in case you have it. Because if you haven't, you need to go grab it. If you love greens, I'm telling you, go get this palette. Did not think I was going to need this palette. But yeah. It's so pretty. I love ColourPop. ColourPop is so affordable and just so amazing. Go grab it. She sent me the blood sugar mini. Oh my goodness. I need to get this palette. Now I could do a really pretty box on food with this. Like, Jeffrey is notorious for his packaging already, you know. Look how pretty. It's so pretty right person. I don't like swatching his palettes because his stamps are so pretty. So that's why. Ooh, that's a pretty color too. There's all three of the shimmers. They actually got this one really pretty ombre. Like, I would like to do that as a wing. Y'all see this? Y'all see this? This is what happens whenever you're a mommy 9 2 under 2 and you're half asleep and you're trying to get up and you hit the side of your table. Upside your head. But you're not coordinated enough because you're half asleep. That's what her is devastating. The Millennial Pink palette from Milk Cosmetics. I'm excited for this palette because the only items that I do have from Milk is the Beetlejuice collection, and I've heard such a hit and miss with it. And I'm really stoked to try it myself to see if it's good, because I know my bestie Bobby likes it. She had almost all of them, but I just never took the bag because it's expensive. So I want to see if it's worth that price tag. I had to have the Beetlejuice collection though. And Lime Crime. This is Venus XL. I'm excited. I love Lime Crime. Stephanie was so this is like a matte with some shimmers. Here's a shimmer. I said I was swatching this, and here I am swatching. What are you doing? But if you stick around this long, you deserve to swatch. You deserve some kind of swatch. Okay. You deserve to see the goods. Alright, this one I have to be careful with because this one is. She said it's. Oh my god, it's so pretty though. Look at that lab crap. I mean, LA girl, hello. This is called Main Stage Danger Dream Eyeshadow Palette. And this is where it's broken out right here. It's like that bad. It's just that cheap plastic. Okay, I see. I'd probably take that right there. Oh my goodness, look at these. These are gorgeous. I'm so, like, excited. So the names are on the plastic. I hate that because then you have to keep the plastic just to know the names. That's okay. I'm swatching it. Alright, now I'm swatching it. Okay, that's a little creepy. What? This is LA Girl, y'all. I've never tried LA Girl. Ever. I think I had like $1 palette before. No one's seen it. What? Look at this. Look at this mess. Like these look more like little toppers. Shook. Okay. Let me try matte. Let's try matte. Right. Trying to clean my hands off on pants, but I don't have no makeup wipes. These shadows are super creamy and so soft. Like, I don't know how they're going to blend out, but they feel pretty damn good. They're a little chalky. Just to find on my skin, like just right here. But look at that pigment. That's it. Sorry, y'all. This is LA Girl. I see you, LA. Okay. Get it off my fingers, man. That's me. This is a must. I'm gonna have to dive into this thing next video type thing and see how she plays, because I'm really excited to see what it's about. To see if it is true, like if it blends out pretty good. So it does close, so that's a good thing. Like it's not that bad. Because we're trying to depot it, but I don't think I am. I'd be safer just to keep it like this. And being that it snaps right here is secure. It's no big deal. It's no big deal. It's no big deal. Judge me not. Or not to be judged. Then we have some eyeshadows. Shows. I love my gems. Can you tell? Is it that obvious? Then we have a Capricorn Ellipticals. A Anastasia Bronze Lip Gloss. I always have to read it. That would be pretty with this right here. It would bring a little bit more color to it. I actually want to mark it up just a little bit because I look really pale. And I'll just use a lightly deep lip lipstick. And I remember for Christmas, I ordered lip lipstick. It was what I had available. It actually was pretty good. This one was right here in front of me, so I was like, hey, how you doing? Then she sent me the Supreme Glass from Different Start. Then No Shame. No Shame in the game. Ooh, she pretty. Really good. And this is a lip holographic lip Lordy. Okay. That's beautiful. And then another Anastasia lip gloss in the shade Metallic. Ooh, she pretty. So yeah, if you don't have Busy Beauty, make sure you go out and check her out. Also, do not forget to check down below and check out my bestie Beauty and More with Renee. She just got by the time, guys. Go over and give her a big old congratulations. I am so proud of her. I knew when she put the effort in it, she could do it. Like, she's that motivated. Like, when she has her mindset to something, it's game on. and she got monetized. It's such a small time of her actually working to get monetized because she's had her channel for a little bit, but it's just kind of been like, upload here and there, just for tickles and giggles. When she got on PR, she kind of got a little bit more focused into she really likes doing this, so it was a little game changer for her. That helped boost her mentality. Like, hold on, I'm gonna make something off this channel, create something that I'm passionate for, and have a platform ready. And so she literally started like grinding and doing the damn thing and wanting to support everybody that supports her. She would love putting in the videos, like she literally posts daily. And it's just amazing watching her shine as much as she does. Because she works a full-time job, she is a mother, and it's just incredible to watch another female thrive as much as she does. So make sure you go over and check her out. I know most of y'all already have her, but if you don't, drop down below. Right before you click over to IG to Busy Beauty, click over to Renee, click her link, go subscribe, turn the bell on, give her a big old thumbs up, let her know where you're coming from, and then sneak over to IG to Busy Beauty, what you're looking for, and you'll go from there. Because a lot of times, if you're not interested in a box right this second, I get it, but you need to kind of let her know for future reference. Say if you're going to want one in the next month, I would go ahead and message her now and be like, hey, I'm not sure if you have anything available, but I really want to get a box from you because sometimes she is booked up. Sometimes she's not able to get you in right then and there, and you have to you have to wait a little bit. So just take that into consideration. She is a one person doing this, and what she does is amazing. She takes time and effort in each box, so she does not rush into them and grab 3 or 4 different orders at one time. She really sit down and play with that order, get that order satisfied, get it out, ship out, and then she can move on to the next one. Because once you try to take on too much, then you're taking on too much and you're getting overwhelmed, and it's not getting the time and effort you put into it that you want to put into it, and you're just trying to hurry up. It's not just a money thing for her. This is her passion. She loves doing this. She enjoys building these boxes, and that's why I say, like, make sure if you're going to want a box in the near future, like, go ahead and hit her up and let her know what's going on, when you're going to want one, just whenever that date gets a little bit closer. Make sure you reach back out to her to let her know, hey, I'm still interested in a box, just to let you know I'm here, ready and willing. As soon as you're available, hit me up, or within 2 weeks, hit me up, etc. That's all you gotta do. Sorry. With that being said, I love you. I love everything that I got. I always do. I'm so greatly appreciated. Stephanie, it's more than 80 words can describe because it is just, I couldn't have all this, I couldn't build a platform and my whole collection if I didn't have her. And this is why I'm so passionate about sharing her with y'all because it's so easy to build up your collection so quickly with just 1 or 2 boxes from her. Then going out and spending $150 at Ulta and only getting 2 things. And yeah, if you're, looking for that specific item, she's not like that. Like, she does better with boxes. So, like, her thing is, like, you get say you want this palette right here. You go in and, I want to say, like, this palette is $50. This is pretty expensive. But, she's like, well, minimum $60. We could do that. We have to do a little bit more because, of course, she's not going to see the box for just this thing. She's going to put a lot of extras in there. So, if you can pay around, like, $75 to $100, you can get this so much more. It's crazy. Like, it's really crazy how she does it. But she does it. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Make sure, if you're already still here, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate all the growth that I've been having over my TikTok and my IG. In here, I've seen the numbers go up significantly. So thank you for whoever's sharing me out. Thank you for whoever's subscribing. I truly appreciate it because even though I might not be able to upload every day, I work my tail off every day for this channel and for our platforms and trying to make something out of this. Not just because of reality. But it's because I love educating and helping other people find their self-beauty and loving themselves for who they are. I appreciate myself because I deal with depression my whole life. I deal with anxiety my whole life. It is really tough. And to be confident enough now to sit here and be on camera and talk to, almost 2,000 subscribers is crazy to me. and to be on TikTok and dance or do transitions or whatever, if it's over 6,000 followers, it's crazy. So just know that I do appreciate every one of y'all, and I want to get y'all to that mindset to where you are beautiful, you are priceless, you deserve nothing but the best. And that's my passion here, is sharing makeup and doing all that good stuff. So I love